Hello, this is Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 27 of beginner course. In the previous video, we covered the basics of saddle stitch. Could you make straight and clean stitches? I think some of you may find that the basic techniques takes too much time. So now, let's take it further and learn how to stitch faster. Let's dive in. First, let's stitch 2 stitches using the basic technique from the previous lesson. Once you've done that, let's move on to the speed up technique. I will show you one set of steps to sew one stitch with speed up technique. First, take the right side thread and place it over the left side thread. Second, pass the left side thread through the next hole. Third, here's the key point. Once you pass the needle through the hole, don't pull and tighten the thread yet. Instead, pass the needle through the next hole and pull it. Now, pull the thread to tighten it by wrapping it around your fingers and pulling. Next, take the right side thread and place it over the left side thread. Finally, put the left thread tight as well. That's one full stitch using the speed up method. Let's go through the process again slowly. Take the right side thread and place it over the left side thread. Pass the left side thread through the next hole. And here's the key point. Once you pass the needle through the hole, don't pull and tighten the thread yet. Instead, pass it through the next hole. And pull it. Now let's tighten the thread by wrapping thread around your fingers and tighten it. Next, take the right side thread and place it over the left side thread. Finally, pull the left side thread tight as well. By repeating this process, you will be able to stitch much faster and more efficiently. Let's keep stitching together. In the beginning, do you remember that we stitch first 2 stitches with the basic technique before switching to the speed up technique? This is because in the speed up method, we pull 1 thread at a time. This causes when tightening the thread gets loose, and the thread will not be the same length. That's why we always start with basic techniques for first 2 stitches, then switch to the speed up techniques. That's all for today. How was it? By practicing the both basic and the speed up technique, you will soon be stitching efficiently without even thinking about the process. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe for more leathercraft tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye.